Hey guys, welcome back to this video tutorial here. Now you may be stumbled on this on YouTube for some reason that you're looking to learn how to make a deposit into your Exness account. Now I'm leaving a link down in the description to create yourself an Exness account and to also join my Telegram signals chat where we have amazing win rates, because I utilize the power of AI to scan the markets to get very precise entries, and so I have a very high and exceptional win rate. So without wasting any time, let's go into the video. So you want to make a deposit to your Exness account or to any broker. All brokers will require the same exact steps, so pay attention. You can click on deposit here. Now the Exness interface will be a little different from the other brokers, but it's basically the same way you will actually do it, right? You click on crypto wallet, and then you will see a page with Exness is a slightly different interface, and we go click on, you see USDT. You go click on deposit. The page will load, and you will get a TRC20 USDT address. What you're going to do, you're going to click on copy. You're going to copy this address, and so you'll go in your Binance wallet. Now if you do not have USDT, you'll contact your merchant to purchase USDT, and so you will send them your address and they will forward it to your Binance wallet, OKX, whatever wallet that you decide to use. So we copy the address. Let me make sure that we copy the address correctly. I have to select the correct network, otherwise our funds will be lost in the blockchain. Select TRC20, which is the same network, and it will have $1 withdrawal fee or transaction fee. So we will type in 22 and we will receive 21 USDT, and so we click on withdraw. Okay, so we just confirm and we verify that all the information is correct, and then we click on confirm. And so the information is being processed. It's just verifying. We have to wait a second. Let's wait a second. And we're going to click on the second option below here, and we're going to click on receive a code via email. Paste this code here, and it's going to load. And so okay, and so it's going to process, and we will come back to our live account where it will be registered. We'll come back to our live account and we will wait here. Yeah guys, so I'll make a little error there, but nothing that we can fix. So I thought I did send the money directly to the balance, but I sent it into the internal wallet on Exness. So let me show you all. This may happen for the better. Let me click on this arrow here. Now to access this page here, you have to come on profile, and then you will see this page here. So just scroll down where you see referral program, and the internal wallet is located here. So you click on the arrow here where you see crypto wallet. Click on the arrow on the right hand side, and then it will take you to a page like this. So it have an internal crypto wallet, and watch it. BTC, Ethereum, USDT, ERC20. We are dealing with the USDT TRC20. We are solely concerned about it. So let's click on withdraw. This is how you're going about making a withdrawal, right? No, sorry, my bad. This is going. Let's go about making a deposit or internal transfer. My bad guys, almost forget. Click on transfer, on transfer. I'll show you all how to make a withdrawal on the next video. See the amount showing up there, 21 USDT. You see this drop down menu. You're gonna click on this drop down menu here. You're gonna select the account, which is your live MT5 account, and just select the amount, which is $21. Tap on continue and just read and verify the information, and then if everything is correct, you just click on confirm and it just allow it to process. Let's click on the view history tab. Okay, so let's go back on our little small live account. I created a small live account to show you all. Okay, by the way, I did hit a TP on this. And I closed a BTC USD trade on a little small red. A small loss is better than a big loss. See, the funds is now there in the account. I'd like to thank all of you for being a very attentive audience. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody succeed in our community. God bless.